Creating a spacious and airy kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of any home. It's where we cook, eat, and socialize with our loved ones. It's no wonder that homeowners want to create a kitchen that's not only functional but also inviting and comfortable. One way to achieve this is by designing a spacious and airy kitchen. Here are some tips on how to create a spacious and airy kitchen. Open up your kitchen space. If you have a small kitchen, consider opening it up to create more space. Knocking down a wall or two can make a huge difference in the overall feel of your kitchen. You can also consider removing upper cabinets to make the space feel more open and airy. Instead, opt for open shelving or a kitchen island with storage to keep things organized. Let natural light in. Natural light can make a huge difference in the look and feel of your kitchen. If possible, consider adding windows or skylights to your kitchen. If that's not an option, consider adding light-colored window treatments that will let in natural light while still maintaining privacy. You can also add mirrors or other reflective surfaces to your kitchen to help bounce light around the space. Choose light colors. When it comes to creating a spacious and airy kitchen, choosing light colors is key. Light colors reflect more light, making the space feel brighter and more open. Consider painting your kitchen walls in a light color such as white, cream, or light gray. You can also choose light-colored cabinets and countertops to create a cohesive look. Use minimalist design. Minimalist design is a great way to create a spacious and airy kitchen. Consider using a simple color palette, streamlined cabinets, and clean lines to create a clutter-free space. You can also use hidden storage solutions to keep your countertops clear and your kitchen looking neat and organized. Add greenery. Adding greenery to your kitchen is a great way to create a fresh and airy feel. Plants not only add color and texture to your kitchen but also help purify the air. Consider adding a small herb garden or potted plants to your kitchen to bring some life into the space. Choose the right lighting. Lighting is an important factor when it comes to creating a spacious and airy kitchen. Consider using a combination of overhead lighting and under-cabinet lighting to create a well-lit space. You can also add pendant lights over your kitchen island or dining table to create a focal point in the room. Keep it clean. Finally, keeping your kitchen clean and organized is essential when it comes to creating a spacious and airy kitchen. Make sure to clean up spills and messes right away, and keep your countertops clutter-free. Consider using storage solutions such as pull-out drawers and pantry organizers to keep your kitchen looking neat and tidy. In conclusion, creating a spacious and airy kitchen is all about maximizing your space and using design elements that help open up the room. By opening up your kitchen space, letting in natural light, choosing light colors, using minimalist design, adding greenery, choosing the right lighting, and keeping it clean, you can create a kitchen that's both functional and inviting. Whether you're renovating your current kitchen or starting from scratch, these tips will help you create the perfect space for you and your family to enjoy.